Is it the right time to buy or sell stock in International Business Machines? In this video, we will take a deep dive into International Business Machines. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 10, 2024, our system has identified International Business Machines as a strong investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.06. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance over this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 16.24% since we first recommended International Business Machines as a buy candidate 12 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.35% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is in an upward trend, which may present a good opportunity for short-term traders to sell. The price is expected to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. If the stock breaks above the top trend line at $190.89, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 17.11% change in the next 3 months. The expected return could range between 3.45% and 19.27%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 25.88% change in the next year. The potential return could range between -1.56% and 28.01%. This translates to a price range of $184.50 to $239.92 after a year. Our latest update on International Business Machines brings exciting news. International Business Machines stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Friday, January 26, 2024, the stock price of International Business Machines dropped by 1.58%, declining from $190.43 to $187.42. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations, ranging from a low of $186.16 to a high of $192.39, with a significant 3.35% difference. In the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 7 instances and has shown an impressive growth of 15.58% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 19 million shares, while a total of 10 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.84 billion. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest point at $196.90 and its lowest point at $120.55. At present, the stock price is 4.81% or $9.48 below its 52-week high of $196.90, which also happens to be the all-time high for the stock. Today, we're going to take a look at the latest analyst ratings for IBM. On Thursday, January 25, 2024, BMO Capital gave IBM a Perform grade with a Hold action. RBC Capital also gave IBM a Outperform grade with a Hold action on the same day. Bank of America Securities joined in, giving IBM a Buy grade with a Hold action. Moving on to Friday, January 19, 2024, Evercore ISI upgraded IBM with an Outperform grade. Lastly, on Friday, January 5, 2024, Wedbush gave IBM a Market Perform grade with a Hold action. Analysts have given International Business Machines stock a strong recommendation, rating it as a strong buy. They also rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a buy rating. Here are the key signals for International Business Machines. The stock of International Business Machines shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. Additionally, the short-term average is above the long-term average, indicating a general buy signal. In case of corrections, the stock will find support at $176.70 and $165.22. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be generated. Another buy signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that could affect the stock's near-term development. For example, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 25, 2024, resulting in a minus 1.58% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. It is worth noting that the volume of trading decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk. Typically, volume should follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator has given a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. According to the Bollinger indicator, a buy signal was generated 1 day ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal 13 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 59 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 64 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 59 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for International Business Machines, IBM. On the downside, IBM stock finds support just below today's level at $173.93 and $171.48, based on accumulated volume. Support levels are important because they indicate a potential price floor. However, if these levels are broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $173.93 is broken, the next support levels are at $171.48 and $158.56. It's worth noting that IBM stock experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $6.23, or 3.35%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.61%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for International Business Machines, let's quickly discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This is a critical ratio that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. For International Business Machines, the PE ratio is within the normal range. This is often seen in businesses with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for International Business Machines in Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 17, 2024. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for International Business Machines. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for International Business Machines is at $190.43. If you're considering entering a position but don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the flip side, International Business Machines encounters its first support level at $173.93. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, International Business Machines has a strong buy rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 4, 2024, Cohn Gary D. bought 5,112 shares of common stock. On January 4, 2024, Cohn Gary D. sold 2,115 shares of common stock. On January 4, 2024, Cohn Gary D. sold 5,112 shares of restricted stock unit. On December 29, 2023, Brown Mary Ann Catherine bought 119 shares of promised fee share. On December 29, 2023, Ubal Thomas bought 536 shares of promised fee share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 2.324. Overall, insiders have purchased 294,988 shares and sold 262,529 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $180.18, which represents a decrease of 3.86%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 is 87, which significantly increases the risk associated with this investment. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is International Business Machines stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, International Business Machines stock shows several positive short-term signals and a generally positive trend. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Furthermore, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Monday, January 29th, we anticipate that International Business Machines will open up $1.24 and start trading at $188.66. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious to hear what your target is for this stock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We hope you find success in your trading endeavors. Have a wonderful day, from all of us here at Stock Invest.